over from the corner here. I'm going to do one of my own today. It's called Stood in the Rain. And yeah, it's a cutesy love song, hopefully. And yeah, I'm just going to get on with it. Don't really have much else to say other than mindless rambling, and well, I have my blog for that. But anyway, Stood in the Rain.
All it took. We were stood in the rain, watching puddles dance. We were caught in the cold, taking a chance. We were stood in the rain and falling in love. Offered my hand to hold and to ward off the cold. We moved in closer to embrace, escape the heartbeats in our soul. So to the idea of forever after, sold to you and me, 'cause I was falling faster. Stood in the rain, watching puddles dance. We were caught in the cold, taking a chance. We were stood in the rain and falling in love. I gave you my heart the day we kissed in the rain. You accepted it gladly, kept it safe and far from pain. Now every time the sky cries, I couldn't no more.